initiatives that tends to help Filipinos in this time of crisis. They have ensured the safety of their employees as they believe that their security should always come first. Moreover, Naga People has nationwide with the company providing gold of guarantees and PPEs to various LGUs, hospitals, NGOs, and private organizations. They have run their Mega Malasakit Kitchen during the first few months of the pandemic. Once again, Mega Sardines and Mega Tuna joins all devotees of Ina all over the world in celebrating the Feast of Ina, our true model of Malasakit.
Next is float number 7, Hotel Sogo.
With the prolonged Luzon-wide lockdown last 2020, Hotel Sogo realized even more the importance of their core value, pagmamalasakit. Even though a lot of businesses have closed, Hotel Sogo is one of the first hotels who offered their facilities to different cities to be the home of the medical frontliners and LGU quarantine marshals. Hotel Sogo, the largest hotel chain in the Philippines, has provided over 850 hotel room accommodations with a value of 80 million pesos to the frontline medical workers from 11 hospitals in different key cities in the country. Aside from offering their hotels as a home for the frontliners, Hotel Sogo has been doing a number of charitable activities through its Sogo Cares program for more than a decade. Truly, Hotel Sogo lives up to its so clean, so good, and so safe state, maintaining the extraordinary cleanliness, providing suitable accommodation to all frontliners, giving more job opportunities to our nation. Hotel Sogo joins the entire Bicolanja in celebrating the feast of and in rising above the challenges with Our Lady of Peñafrancia, siempre la reina de nuestra región.
Thank you, Mike. Mabalos, Hotel Sogo, float number 7. Next float is float number 8, Zutherland. Headed by Saite Dino Uratnik and Bernice Bilaran HRDR and Ron Hesita HR Director. Thank you. Vote number 8.
Contingent number 10 is a non-competing contingent children, motor trade. Motor trade, hanap nyo ba ang mga branded na motorsiklo? Sa motor trade, motorsiklo, siguradong alaga ka dito.
Masunod sa tuyasanan kung pili yung Noben Tabang Grupo Baterya Naga High School batch 1990. Headed by Marvin Jimeno, Box Sabunan. Ang Noben Tabang mga tugang naging